All right, boom. So, we got my follower here with me. Yeah, this guy right here. He's finally here. He been asking to get on the show, you know what I'm saying? Took him long enough. But he here. He say he can stand the heat in the kitchen. So we ready to see if we going to stand it or he going to get put out. Because he might get put out after this right here. If he tap out on me on live, on TV, he getting tapped out. He getting up out of here. So we got the Volcano noodles. These things right here. They say they hot volcano style,
Right. That's what it is.
So, my father. Chill, Dad. Let me talk first.
Go ahead.
All right. Volcano noodle, chicken noodle. So that's what we ready to do. We got the packs. We're going to mix them up right here on camera. Hold on. Come on, Dad. Open the pack up. I don't know how you're supposed to do it. I know how you do the other joint. We're going to do these. We're going to put this one in first. This one. Put the whole pack in there. All right.
The whole pack?
Yeah.
Where they do that at? Where they do that at?
You ain't got all the cheese, so chill out, Dad. Chill.
All right. Don't be chilling, man. I got most of them. As long as I got 30 of them, that's close enough.
Woo, I smell it.
That thing look kind of hot. Might take my glasses off for this.
Dad, they already caught to the side a little bit. Maybe hit the light again. Oh, man.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, she got my woman put the juice right there. Oh, man, they smell hot, too. Come on, Dad, you got to stir it. Use the plastic fork. Use the plastic fork.
Take my glass. I want everybody to see this. No,
come on, Dad, don't tap out on me.
I don't want everybody to see the eyes start running, crying. I got an image up on.
Woo! It's hot.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. Dad, use the plastic joint. We can hear all that in the microphone. Huh, there was fuck right there.
Anyway, give me a stale phone for that.
I ain't give you that. I ain't gonna say who did. Alright, y'all.
You put the black part in there?
Yeah, put all that in there.
Oh, let me see this. Let me read. Cause I know how you is. I know you can. I know you can.
Dad, you can't get this thing up. You got it.
I'm making sure, golly.
Make sure when we make it big, we get you some teeth. We got you. We got you on everything. We got you, Dad. Get you some teeth.
I ain't never seen these noodles before. I know how y'all be.
Dad, I'm gonna eat the same noodles you ready to eat, yo.
Yeah, they might have came with Japan somewhere. Underground, something. Yeah, I ain't forgot.
Listen here. Woo, waiting on you. I'm ready to eat. So where's that thing up? You got some little juice right here if you need some juice. What's noodle juice?
Oh, noodle juice?
Yeah, I think
oh,
noodle.
Yeah.
Don't use it all. Stop shaking. You alright?
It ain't a game. I'll make sure I don't waste it all. But you had them in the water. It ain't a game. I'm sorry. It ain't a game.
Alright.
Go ahead.
1, 3.
Hold up.
1, 3.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, man, get me like that. I ain't going. Hit 1, 2.
Look, I'll take my glasses.
That's why he ain't on no videos now. All you do is laugh all the time.
Look.
All right.
1, 2, go.
All right, for real this time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that's boy. That ain't that hot. What's wrong with it? Right. You sweating already. Hey.
Oh, snap.
How much we got to eat?
Yo, let me try to. Hot, baby. No. I need it.
What up? It's hot.
You sweating too? You talking about me? Oh man.
See, you want to eat it up? You try. Yo, it's good. It ain't that hot.
Keep eating. Man, hot. I'm talking about.
You gotta pace yourself. Always got an excuse though. I just got
Wow, man. Yo, my arm's sweating now.
You tapping out?
No, I ain't tapping. I'm trying to put in my name.
You tapping out? You tapping out?
I eat them noodles. Let's talk more eating.
Yeah, we gonna eat. That's my son. It's my son right here. No. I'm good. I'm sure you should. Oh, drink some more water.
Man,
relax.
Man, you eat the noodles.
That's my son. Okay.
You need tissue.
I need some ketchup.
You need some what?
Ketchup.
Spaghetti.
Oh man, y'all.
That's not. See what he don't know is I eat noodles every day.
Okay, how many noodles you eat every day? This hot.
I put ketchup and hot sauce in mine every day. This is a little salt. I be done. Let me have some salt.
Man, what you laughing at?
Take your time. Stop. You ain't got. We not in a race. Look. We not in a race. So look.
I know.
Just come. Yes. This is funny. It's funny, though. But it's good, though.
Made the noodles.
Alright.
So, go ahead. Let me see. Go ahead.
You just send me something.
Go ahead. I don't know what that was supposed to do. Baby hot.
They hot as hell. Ah, boy. Ooh. You can tap out anytime.
I ain't going nowhere.
I'm gonna eat all of it. Let me stop playing with you.
Go ahead. Man, you sweating so hard. You talking about me?
Wait, take that off.
Take everything off.
I take that off.
The glasses, the hat. Come on, now. Memory. Do you remember where it was on his face? My lips is on fire. I hear my baby. Go ahead, Dad. Let me see you finish them things.
Finish yours.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna finish what?
I'm really blowing my lips, not the food.
Yeah, leave.
Huh? That's a different texture. This is noodles now. This ain't wings.
You have meat and all that, but this is straight hot. Something like that hot.
Yeah, all right. Look, you talking about that ain't hot? I got more noodles than you.
Because you such a, because you eat bigger portions than I do.
Yeah, right.
But when they eat that burger, I probably be done right now.
Yeah, right.
That burger stuff did it.
My nose running, y'all. I'm almost done. First one done get ice cream. So. And that stopped the heat. Last one done get water and bread.
Water, bread is better when it's hot.
You crazy. I tried it last night. Baby, give me some water.
Calm down.
Suffer.
Man, my lips is burning. No, give me my cup. Come on, what you doing?
I'm having a ball. I'm having a ball. Watch me. It was hot. I'm sweating.
I ain't nothing bite yet. It's been like 3 minutes.
Give me some ketchup. Yes, indeed.
Baby, give him the ketchup. We got spicy ketchup.
I with the regular ketchup. You ain't getting me like that. You ain't getting me like that. Man, I ain't know I was that light. It must be that. Look. Day after my surgery, you got me eating hot stuff.
Man, that's what you like.
You want this kind of ketchup?
The real ketchup. No, give me the real ketchup. Y'all ain't gonna get me like that.
That's for you.
They gonna get me like that. They
I need
trying to
water.
set me up. They trying to set me up.
Got some mustard.
Oh. Bro, y'all set me up.
Oh, give me this up here. Look, I did it. Over top the cake, and I can't reach it.
I got a little bit left, baby. It's hot.
That's a barbecue sauce.
Give me some water. Alright.
I don't know about you. My money gonna pop.
Finishing it.
He about finished.
I'm done.
Yeah, he does.
He playing with the.
Hmm?
He babysitting the noodle.
We ain't got all day either.
That's
This
fine.
video long.
Who can say till I finish?
No.
Oh shit. Chuck. This
You know I already cuss now. I don't say shucks. You already cuss.
He cussed before he knew he cussed.
Mm-hmm. He cussed, don't even know he cussing. Oh, fiddles. Effort. What you do? Sip and bite.
is serious. This is serious.
Yeah, playing.
Ain't nobody playing. Come bite these.
Right. But the table's big enough. All three of us. Longer table? Yeah.
I can fit in the middle.
So them sesame seeds ain't right. Mm-hmm. I think it make it hotter.
Yeah.
I wonder what these flakes for anyway. Hot flakes.
The food be freaky.
They said put these before serving. Let this bowl go on top, not mixed in. Come on, Dad, you can do it. Alright, I'm ready to crush this. I ain't playing with y'all. Show y'all how I see videos do it. People on YouTube and stuff.
You should be. You stop for like 5 minutes.
Look, baby. Remember this video?
Yeah.
Look, baby. My lip.
You can do it. You can do it. Go ahead. No, we just tripping.
Come on, Dad, go. You can do it. Alright, I'm done. I'm going in, baby. Look, one more time. Last time.
He was.
It wasn't worth it.
Hell to the no. Yes, it was. It was worth it. You sit here laughing, trip. See your face turn red.
Oh. Man, you gotta eat them noodles. Talking about worth it.
Oh shit. Oh damn.
I told y'all my father and cousin viewing the structures that
Correct cuss word with a curse word, huh?
Look.
A cuss word and a curse word is two different things, you know.
Yeah.
I can't help it. The first time on camera in years.
Alright, baby, go get the dragonfly wings for him.
Oh. You almost had me say something.
We got another video coming for y'all. Yeah, remember them dragonfly wings, huh? Them wings I was telling you about? We're gonna do them after we eat this right here.
Hell, dude.
Girl, get some ice cream. Yeah. Yes, please, baby. Please give me the ice cream. Please, baby, please. Come on, Dag.
What?
Eat the noodles. Don't make me look bad.
Make me the sauce, the barbecue sauce.
Nah, man, eat them noodles. That was some ice cream. I ain't got no bowl to put in.
Put it in there.
This spoon she gave me.
Boy,
You get some of this when you finish your food.
I never get nothing. I might not never get nothing.
Put that up, baby. You don't get nothing until you finish the food.
Barbecue sauce.
No, the ice cream.
This one time I'm going to use the father card. I'll rank him. Oh, goodness. All eyes on me.
It's your favorite song. Go ahead, get it in. Sing it in your head while you eat it.
Oh, my goodness. He's gone. 2 more footballs, I'd be done. For real.
Man, you got like 6 foot 4 over there.
Don't fake. No, Lord, I was faking myself.
Oh yeah, 2 more then.
Extra.
1 more, forget it.
Extra.
Misty.
That ain't help. That didn't help.
We're going to have to take these spicy noodles.
Whew.
What the spicy noodles do, baby?
By butt.
Stop. And be done for 3 days.
What?
Be drinking water for 3 days.
Sam said, you can do it.
You by that.
You gonna do it, your butt gonna burn too.
You doing you butt.
Home
That's right, Dad. Get that sauce out the side of the bowl. Bugging out. Really, that sauce where it's at.
Woo! It wasn't that bad.
Boy, this is going on our YouTube channel. This ready to be funny. Yeah. They eat them noodles, Dad. Stop playing me like that.
I'll be funny if it wasn't that big bowl.
Outside.
How many packs is 3? I think I was hoodwinked. I think you put 2 packs in mine and 1 in yours. How many packs with this?
Man, you got the same amount I got.
I think I had more.
Ain't no way you had more.
I think y'all set me up. Put 2 in mine and 1 in yours.
Ain't no way. You still got a whole cup of water, boy. I done went through 2 of them things.
Should have got snowball ice. What, you alright?
Man.
What?
I almost choked messing with you.
Snowball ice would have been better.
Listen.
I'm finished, man. I'm about finished. I got 2 more footballs. That's it.
Said that like 10 minutes ago, Dad. I ain't ready to make you eat them all. You ain't gonna eat them all.
I'm eat them all because I said I'm eat them all. I finished what I start.
Okay.
I don't know about these big puffles. I ain't going, but I take my time. I know if I took a big bite, that shit burned the hell off my back and my throat. I was smart with it. That's why you had a hard time. What?
Yo, he bugging. Anyway, it's my father, y'all. He out here procrastinating. That's what he do. He procrastinate a lot. He gonna eat it, but he gonna procrastinate with it. So in the meantime, give this video a nice thumbs up.
A big thumbs up.
And hope that he finished eating these noodles.
I got 2 more footballs. That's it.
He buffing.
3 hours later.
Everybody ain't on this, huh?
Ain't nobody on this but me. Y'all, if you like, comment, subscribe, and share everyone. I hope my father will eat these noodles and pray for his butt. Because my Theo said it's gonna burn his butt.
I'm just bluffing. This is nothing. I'm telling y'all that. I just didn't want to make it. You know what I mean? I wanted to let him finish first.
Right.
That's my father. He's a bluffer.
See that? Over there.
Yo, it came back out of his mouth, baby. It came back out. The noodle came back up.
Stop playing with y'all. Stop playing with y'all.
I think I should have gave you a bigger fork or something. Your fork bigger than mine.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
Oh, now you want... No, it ain't. That's the same size fork. There you go.
Yo, look at you. I think my 2-year-old eat more noodles than that.
Well, good. Let him eat ours. Oh, my goodness. Oh, boy.
Oh, that's one for the books.
Yes, it is.
Shout out to all our new supporters, all our new subscribers. My woman's over there. Jay's over there in the back.
Well, it wasn't that it was hot. It was thick. That's what it is. That's what it is. It was them thick.
He can't even talk. He said dip. I don't even know what that means.
It means it's hot. That's what it means. You don't know.
Yeah, man.
You don't know. I'd be better if I had some ketchup. Right.
Y'all let me know if y'all put ketchup in y'all noodles.
I'd have been finished. But I had some ketchup.
Let me know if y'all want to see him back on the show for another video with both of us, because that's what it was supposed. It was going to be both of us on the video.
I'm sick.
Oh,
now she's sick.
She ain't want the noodles. It's like we're gonna have part 2.
Let me tell y'all when I knew these noodles was hot. When they came with this pack right here. We ate all the other hot noodles and ain't none of them come in this pack right here.
Technically, you wasn't supposed to put the whole pack in there. They always say you're supposed to put a half a pack in there. That's what they say.
That's how I do these dudes was hot, you know. This guy was
They say you're supposed to put a half a pack, not a whole pack.
Oh, make up his own rules.
I don't know where he come up with this stuff at.
They're like, oh no, they say you ain't
And
supposed
then
to
it
put
was only 4 of them in there. Normally it come with like 5 packs. It was only 4. They said these too hot to be given out in 5s. Go ahead, Dad, you almost got it. What happened to your 2 forkfuls?
I was talking. I didn't take a 5-minute break like you did. Right?
No.
Right?
Come on, Dad. My mouth's still hot too.
For the record, I ain't stopped talking yet. Stop eating. That's what's up. This for the road, y'all.
Man, you got like 2 more forkfuls.
I got 2 forkfuls. That's it.
Said that 6 forkfuls ago.
There we go. I don't eat this much.
You scraping that bowl like that's the last meal you gonna eat.
Like they feed that man over there.
Yeah, this is donations. We accept donations to feed them.
Every time I gotta scrape the bowl.
The hot noodles too, it's real. Y'all donate.
It's real.
Accepted.
Oh, the store can work over there. Goddamn.
Go ahead, Dad. You got it.
Here it is. Here it is.
You got it. Kill it. Got it.
I want more ice cream.
Right.
Sorry about the interruptions, y'all. My baby want more ice cream. Come on around here.
It's a family thing.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get him to do these dragonfly.
Oh, no, man, ain't gonna be able to do that. She ain't gonna be able to do that.
Shut the door like that. Trying to get them to do these dragonfly wings. I'm gonna send him home with him. He can give it to whoever you want to give it to.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna send somebody.
Got him. Make sure you get the video. Make sure you get the video. Shut the door. Shut the door.
I told you I gave that candy away.
Shut the door.
Remember that chocolate candy you gave me?
Right.
I told you I gave it to people in the house and they stopped talking to me.
2620, baby.
They ain't wanna take nothing else from me.
You hear me?
Nigga said it was good. His mouth went on fire. He wanted to fight. I know he did. He wanted to fight. What name of that candy was? What it was?
I don't know, man. It was some organic something.
That's why I'm never eating organic again. It just started off good and your whole mouth just went on fire.
Alright, Dad, come on. We got to take us out now. You feel me? Y'all hope y'all enjoyed this video with my dad on here first time. Hopefully he be back. If y'all like him, he be back. If y'all don't, he ain't coming back. It's like, no, but, you know.
I'll be back with part 2 next week.
Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone.
And see, I'd have been a lot more funner, but I'm just coming back off of.
What you coming back from, though? You alright?
I'm coming back off this surgery, right? I had to take it easy, so that's why he won this. You know, they told me not to overdo it.
Your foot and your butt gonna burn today. Hot fire! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. We out of here. Peace!
Baker Clan.